check. I have a
Ready?
lot of coins. Red horse, guys. Red horse.
Ha?
Brought to you by
Litson
Red
ugma, oh.
Horse.
Mahal mo yung litson, no? I opened it.
Hello, brother. Wait, nani hello, brother sa imo ha.
Hello. Thank you very much. English pala ito.
Oh, how come you speak English man lagi? Because there's Red Horse.
Never mind that.
I only speak English when there's Red Horse.
Nag-asa mo na nagilo.
Dennis Garcia. Ang na-shout out si Dennis Garcia.
Mindanao to.
Mindanao ay US ne.
Di ba taga-kuan? Bisaya ba?
Dennis Garcia, my brother
Hi,
says.
Dennis. Without one.
Without one.
Shout out. You're happy in this future.
Future
In
wife.
this job.
He's coming to Philippines to meet his girlfriend.
Thank you.
Kay girlfriend?
Di ba, thanks to come here in the Philippines. Thanks, Dennis, income in the Philippines.
No, he's coming to meet his girlfriend in Manila.
Sama na. Di ba, siya magawa ka na Pilipino.
No, he is American.
Dennis?
Yes.
Binang.
Dennis Garcia. His originality is yes. Dennis, what's that? What's the name of your
Country?
where you was born? In the USA. Yeah, USA.
Ayun. United States. Thanks, Dennis. Come here in the Philippines.
Enjoy.
YRB enjoy here in Philippines. Your tourist spot in the Philippines. Very nice in the Philippines. Tourist niya. You come here in the Philippines, you are very tour in the tourist.
You're very tall in the
You are very sana spot. Tourist spot in the Philippines. You are in Boracay, you are in Cebu, you are in Manila, and other place in Bohol, in Siargao Island. You are surfing in
Surfing
in
beach.
in Siargao Island, Philippines. And mga tourist spot nila. Mga tourist spot na
Mayapay.
Hindi na yung tourist spot na sa Kwarpon.
Asa?
Sa Agusan.
Asa man? Agusan
Mars. Agusan siya. Agusan River. Nada ikuan diha. Imo naman alin kana nas tulay gani magsaysay.
Sana?
Nada ikuan diha.
Floating restaurant?
Di, nanay pwede ka diha magkuan niya sa out of river. Inside the river. Na mga floating food.
Food street? Food street?
Ano diha ginagawa nila. Nakasakuan sa una. Maternity diha dapit.
English na yan, English.
I'm sorry you not speak English.
Wala gikakit AI. Patubang ko na dire. Ana, lakit anak ka dali.
Hindi ba mo taga-kuhan sa
Ah.